Imagine it's the year 2030. Two people walk into the same job interview. They have the same degree, the same experience, the same confidence, but only one of them gets hired with a $250,000 salary. The other is rejected in less than 5 minutes. What changed? It wasn't intelligence, it wasn't luck, it wasn't even experience. It was one thing: AI skills. While millions of people are worried that artificial intelligence will take their jobs, a small group of people is quietly using AI to build businesses, automate work, and earn more money than ever before. The AI revolution has already started, and by 2030, companies won't pay the highest salaries to the people who work the hardest. They'll pay the people who know how to work with AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 10 AI skills that could completely change your career, increase your income, and help you stay ahead before everyone else catches up. And trust me, skill number 1 might be the difference between having a job and becoming impossible to replace. Let's begin. Most people think learning AI means becoming a programmer. That's completely wrong. Some of the highest paying AI skills today require zero coding. So let's start with skill number 10, AI prompt engineering. Every AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity, is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. Most people ask AI simple questions and get average answers, but professionals know something different. They don't just ask AI, they direct AI. A well-written prompt can turn a simple chatbot into a business consultant, a marketing expert, a software assistant, or even a personal research team. Imagine giving the same AI tool to two people. One spends 3 hours creating a presentation, the other finishes it in 15 minutes. The difference isn't the AI, it's the prompt. That's why companies are already hiring people who know how to communicate with AI effectively. And this skill will only become more valuable as AI becomes part of every industry. But saving time is just the beginning, because the next skill can automate hours of repetitive work every single day. The internet has more information than any human could ever read, but here's the problem. Most people waste hours searching, opening dozens of tabs, and still end up confused. AI changes that. Today, professionals use AI tools to summarize reports, compare products, analyze competitors, and find answers in minutes instead of hours. Imagine a business owner researching a new market. Instead of spending an entire weekend reading articles, AI can organize the most important information in just a few minutes. The people who know how to verify AI's answers and turn information into smart decisions will always stay ahead. But research only saves time. The next skill can actually make you money by creating content faster than ever before. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded online. Businesses, YouTubers, marketers, and startups all need video content. The problem? Traditional video production is slow, expensive, and time-consuming. AI is changing that. Today, one person can write scripts, generate voiceovers, create visuals, edit videos, and publish content in a fraction of the time. The creators who learn AI video production today won't just save time. They'll build businesses that can scale much faster, but creating content is only one piece of the puzzle. The next skill removes repetitive work almost completely. Imagine starting your workday and discovering that half of your daily tasks are already finished. Emails organized, reports generated, customer questions answered, data updated. That's the power of AI automation. Companies aren't looking for people who can do repetitive work forever. They're looking for people who know how to eliminate repetitive work. Every hour saved becomes an opportunity to focus on work that creates real value. And businesses are willing to pay well for that. But the next skill is where AI becomes even more powerful. Because now, you're no longer just saving time. You're helping businesses make better decisions. Every business, every brand, every creator needs content. But creating content every single day takes time. A lot of time. That's why AI has become one of the biggest productivity tools in the world. Today, one person can write blog posts, create marketing emails, generate social media content, and even plan an entire content strategy in just a fraction of the time. But here's what many people get wrong. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. The people who combine human ideas with AI speed will always outperform those who rely on either one alone. And if you think creating content is valuable, the next skill helps companies make million-dollar decisions. Every click, every purchase, every customer interaction that creates data. But data alone means nothing. The real value comes from understanding it. AI can now analyze massive amounts of information, detect patterns, predict trends, and uncover opportunities in minutes. Imagine running an online store. Instead of guessing, AI tells you which products are likely to sell, which customers may leave, and where you're losing money. Companies don't just want more data. They want people who know how to turn data into smarter business decisions. But analyzing businesses isn't enough. What if you could build AI-powered products yourself? Just a few years ago, building software meant learning programming for years. Today, AI has completely changed that. No-code AI platforms allow people with little or even no coding experience to build useful tools, automate workflows, and even launch software businesses. Imagine creating an AI chatbot for a local business or a custom productivity tool without writing thousands of lines of code. That's exactly why this skill is becoming so valuable. The people who build solutions instead of waiting for someone else to build them will have a massive advantage in the AI economy. And now, we've reached the top 3. These next skills aren't just valuable, they could completely transform your career. Every business has one goal: to get more customers. But traditional marketing is becoming more expensive every year. AI is changing the game. Today, businesses use AI to write better ads, predict customer behavior, create personalized campaigns, and improve sales faster than ever before. Imagine launching an online business where AI helps you understand exactly what your customers want before they even buy. The people who know how to combine marketing with AI won't just find jobs, they'll build businesses, but helping companies grow isn't even the highest paying opportunity. Right now, thousands of companies know they need AI, but most of them have absolutely no idea where to start. That's where AI consultants come in. They don't build every AI tool themselves. They solve business problems, recommend the right AI solutions, and help companies save time, reduce costs, and increase profits. Imagine walking into a business, identifying 3 repetitive tasks, and replacing them with AI automation. That single improvement could save the company hundreds of hours every year. That's why AI consulting is becoming one of the fastest growing careers in the world. But even consulting isn't the most valuable skill, because skill number 1 never goes out of demand. This is the skill that ties everything together. AI tools will change, new platforms will appear, old platforms will disappear, but one thing will always remain valuable: the ability to solve real problems. Companies don't pay people because they know ChatGPT or Gemini or any specific AI tool. They pay people who can use AI to increase revenue, reduce costs, improve productivity, and create better solutions. That's why the future doesn't belong to the people who know the most AI tools. It belongs to the people who know how to solve the biggest problems using AI. By 2030, AI won't replace everyone, but people who learn these skills will have opportunities that simply don't exist today. You don't need to master all the 10 skills tomorrow, just choose one. Start learning and improve a little every single day. Because 5 years from now, you'll either be working with AI or competing against someone who does. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to the channel, because every week we explore the latest AI tools, future-proof skills, and practical strategies to help you stay ahead in the age of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.